The HS 8300.1 is a great machine for dredging. It has a massive winch capacity and a winch speed and line pull. This makes it great for fast cycles with heavy buckets and moving a lot of material.
My name is Chad Epperson. I'm the VP of Operations at Matthews Brothers Dredging. We've had the crane for 4 years. We've put approximately 22,000 hours on it. We have been bucket dredging along the Gulf Coast, mainly Port Arthur and Houston.
The machine is used in marine dredging application, which is a very demanding application. And in order to improve the reliability, after 20,000 hours, our customer has decided to opt for an overhaul.
The overhaul was a recommendation from Liebherr, and we felt it was getting time to do the overhaul based on just the little small breakdowns we were having.
The work on the overhaul has begun on September 15th when the barge was dragged into the shipyard. But the preparation for it started well before February of 2025, when we made a thorough inspection. And based on that inspection and the maintenance record, we came up with recommended packages of what needed to be replaced, overhauled, or transformed on this machine. So regular maintenance is crucial, but at a certain point, some heavy repairs need to be invested. The recommendation for an overhaul is usually a combination of both lifetime of the machine and application. So a heavy application will require an earlier overhaul. During this overhaul, we have integrated all the product improvement that we have implemented on the new machines over the past 5 years. So that includes rewiring of the boom lights, improved safety features, some additions to the central lubrication system to make maintenance more efficient.
We had to take it out of service for a little while, but we see the upside of getting it overhauled for the long run to better serve our clients with minimum downtime.
The overhaul will help improve the overall machine reliability by replacing all the usual components that cause downtime, like hydraulic hoses, electric faults. We replace all major hydraulic components for new ones. This overhaul will have the effect to bring a reliable machine, good as new, at a much lower cost than replacing the complete machine.